Something that I was dreaming about for a while, adding more adventure to my studio days. Some adventure, but still connected to art. The idea of exploring nature through painting in art journal. Let's talk about art materials. First of all, the most important is a sketchbook. I'm very picky when talking about sketchbook, especially for watercolor painting. I have this amazing sketchbook, very nice one, hard covers, thick paper, but the paper is more for pencil and markers. So as you can see, I needed to stick in paper, which is not so convenient and makes the sketchbook very thick. The next one what I had is with very good paper, smooth surface, everything just perfect, but it's too small. For such an adventure, it's too small. Next one what I found in my bookshelf is this sketchbook, also perfect, but so tiny. And then I ordered something special. Right size, beautiful, in and out, with perfect paper. Smooth, thick, just perfect for watercolor painting. With beautiful ribbons, my choice. Next are watercolors. I have my watercolor set with all the pigments that I can mix any color. Metal clip, very useful little tool. I can clip my watercolors to the corner of my sketchbook and it will hold perfectly. I can stand, I can sit, and I have my watercolors in place. Brushes. I have this little brush case, and also I have a traveling brush, which is very useful, with a fine tip. It's from Da Vinci. Perfect for traveling, and the brush will be fine for a long time. Different kind of brushes you can experiment with. Sketchbooks, you can really experiment different types of brushes. There are some brushes that I like to work, but with a sketchbook you can really experiment with any type of brush. We will be painting loose and not so precise, so you can choose whatever brushes you have. A little case with hand cream, especially when you are outside and maybe windy. It's very useful to have hand cream. This little case I can put my watercolor set, metal clip, travel brush, everything should be handy and easy to get. Case for pen and pencils, erasers. This is a measuring tool when you're outside to measure and record some samples, some sizes for subjects, petals, leaves, flowers. Another brush, a brush with water already for the very quick sketches. Black pens for writing some notes. Not always writing with pencil is nice because pencils tend to get dirty on the paper. Another pen Pencils, I have 0.3 and 0.9 thickness. And erasers, thinner one and a thicker one. I also bought some coloring pencils to try to experiment with different mediums. These are colored pencils for light flower, like white subjects, white flowers, and also darker pencils, just to test and experiment. We are here to experiment, try something new. Elastic eraser for removing the excess amount of graphite off, always with me. Maybe some subject to bring home or to keep it fresh. Bigger brush to remove some dust, eraser dust. Paper towels, always, the more the better. Little notebook for some notes. Little clip. And one of the important things is the bag, where to keep all these art materials. Bag should have pockets, area where to put a sketchbook, and for a notebook. I will also carry with me tripod to attach phone and film my adventures. An important thing, don't keep pencils just like that. They need some kind of case for protection so that their tips don't break and stay sharp. After all necessary art materials have been collected, I decided to add some creativity to the first page of the sketchbook, to the title page. And I added the title Art Journal Adventure. Also, the line drawing for this title is available for download. And also decided to add some beauty of nature to this title to have more creativity, more beauty. First, I draw with pencil outlines, completely freely, no realism, no precision, just doodling around, creating from imagination. You can do whatever you like here. It's your sketchbook, your space, your creative space, and your area for experiments. This is the finished look. Line drawing of both the title and the flowers are available for download. Taking my set of watercolors, and also here is a completely free and creative space where you can paint with any colors you like, any style you like. This is a free environment for creativity, for expression. no rules, no do's and don'ts. Just you, brush or any other art material, medium, and creativity. Now it's time to pack. I'm stepping out of my studio into the world, and it's been a while. I'm really excited about this journey and giving you an inspiration and motivation also to explore and to see surroundings. See you in my next vlog.